Hi guys, Mulos here. So today's video, I'm going to talk about Forex accounts in Zambia. Opening one, what you need to know about opening one, managing one, and the likes. In Zambia, it's relatively simple, easy, and straightforward to open a Forex account. What differs is that there are over 18 banks in Zambia. So each bank will have different terms and conditions, policies, pricing, and all. I maintain only two Forex accounts. I've got a current account with Ecobank and I've got a savings account with FNB. So I've got a Kwacha account and dollar account with Ecobank. I've got a Kwacha account, Kwacha current account with FNB, a savings pocket account with FNB, and a US dollar savings account with FNB. You observe that my FNB available balance is minus 83 and my actual balance is 16. So FNB, the minimum balance for a savings account is $100. Due to factors beyond my control, I've not yet reached that $100 threshold. So I've been putting funds into my dollar account bit by bit, and I should meet that threshold soon. In this video, I am going to show you how to load funds from your Kwacha account into your dollar account with FNB. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm able to load funds from my dollar account into my Kwacha account with Ecobank, as well as use Ecobank to load an offshore account or other Visa cards here and there. Okay, so just one last thing to mention before I continue with this video. This video is not sponsored by either FNB or Ecobank. Those are the two accounts that I maintain Forex accounts. Those are the two banks I maintain Forex accounts with. And for purposes of illustration and demonstration, I needed to use my actual accounts to make this video. So it's in no way sponsored by either of the banks. Okay, so in Zambia, there are basically four different types of Forex accounts that you can get. Technically, it's three. The other one, I'll explain why the fourth one is a technical Forex card. So the first type you can get is a savings account. So with the savings account, the bank will require you to maintain a minimum balance. And if you maintain that minimum balance, there will be no service fees or monthly charges on that account. So with FNB, the minimum balance is $100. If you maintain that, you're all good. With EcoBank, the minimum balance is $50. If you maintain that, you're all good. The other banks, please reach out to your relationship managers, call the bank, send them an email, give them a call, or walk into the bank and ask. I'm not too sure about other banks. So the second type of account you can have is a current account. So I've got a current account with EcoBank, and for a zero minimum balance, there is a monthly charge of $10. So it would differ from bank to bank. Some might have lower monthly service fees, some might have higher monthly service fees. To find out, simply go to all the banks, ask, inquire, and you'll be able to know which is which. Then the third type of account you can have is the banks will just call them Forex accounts. They will require you to maintain a minimum balance, and they will charge you a monthly service fee. So they differ bank to bank. So you need to just go into your bank and they will let you know which of them have these Forex accounts where you have to maintain a minimum balance and they will be charging you a monthly service fee. Then these cards are just for illustrative purposes. The fourth type of account you can have are these prepaid cards. UBA and Atlas Mara have the prepaid cards. So with UBA, the prepaid card is called an AfriCard. Okay, so with the UBA prepaid AfriCard, you do get an online banking portal where you can manage your card. You can do card-to-card transfers. It has to be the same currencies within the same country. So I can move funds from my UBA US dollar card to any UBA US dollar card issued in Zambia. You can also manage the card, view the statements, and all. With the Atlas Mara, you can actually manage your prepaid card using the Tenga app. It's a really simple app to use. You are able to move funds from your Tenga wallet to your prepaid card. So you're able to just load your prepaid card from the Tenga app, and it's instant and really straightforward. But the Atlas Mara prepaid card doesn't come with the online portal, so you only know your balances and all by either going to the ATM or from the SMS notifications that you'll be getting. So that's the difference between the Atlas Mara and the UBA one. The UBA one, you have got the online portal where you can at any time just log in, check, manage your card. Whereas with the Atlas Mara, you have to rely on the SMSs to know what's in your card. Then the last type of Forex accounts you can get in Zambia, these are virtual offshore accounts. You need to have a passport for ID verification. You've got virtual banks like Payoneer, virtual banks like Paysera, and virtual banks like Wise. So these are really, really handy if you are a freelancer, you do online work, or you're a freelancer with sites like Fiverr.com, Upwork, Freelancer.com. You're also a self-published author on Amazon under Kindle Direct Publishing and all. So these Payoneer does come with a physical MasterCard. Paysera does come with a physical Visa card. Wise, you're even able to move funds from Wise to Zambian bank accounts. So these are really, really good virtual bank accounts to have. They are relatively low cost, easy to manage, and they do help, especially if you want to be doing freelance work. And with Paysera, using the Paysera Visa card, you are able to link it to a PayPal account, and it's the most straightforward way of withdrawing from PayPal to card. The Paysera card works all the time. As long as you're able to link it to your PayPal account and your PayPal account is able to receive funds, you will be able to withdraw to your Paysera card, and it's very, very straightforward and only costs $5 per withdrawal. Okay, so now back to the topic. Before you open a Forex account at the banks, there are a number of things you need to ask the bank before you even open. The first one is you need to ask the terms and conditions of the account. You need to ask how many withdrawals you can make, whether there are any restrictions on transacting, as in you're limited the number of deposits or withdrawals you can make, and the likes. Because some banks, if it's a savings account, they will require you can only make X number of withdrawals in a month or X number of transactions in a month and the likes. The next question you need to ask is on the service fees. Do you have to pay a monthly fee to maintain the account, or is it going to be a savings account with no monthly fee? Then the next question you need to ask are the transaction fees. Are you going to be charged for withdrawing from your Forex account? Are you going to be charged for depositing? Are you going to be charged each time you transfer from Kwacha to dollar account or dollar to Kwacha account? Just for the record, for FNB, there is no commission from moving from the Kwacha to dollar account and vice versa from the dollar to Kwacha account. There are no fees for that. The same with Ecobank. There are no fees for transferring from Kwacha to dollar or dollar to Kwacha. And then I have not yet withdrawn cash from my FNB account, but I am told that there are no fees for withdrawals, but I have not yet done that because my balance is below. And with EcoBank, I have made quite a number of withdrawals, and I can confirm that there are no cash withdrawal fees. If you go to withdraw from your dollar account or pound or euro or rand account, there will be no withdrawal fees at EcoBank. That I can confirm. But go to your bank, ask about the withdrawal fees, transaction fees, and the likes. The next thing you need to ask also is the minimum balance. What are the minimum balances, and what happens if you go below the minimum balance? Then the last two you need to ask is on incoming wire transfers. In case you're going to be receiving funds from outside the country, you need to ask if there are commissions or fees levied on incoming wire transfers. FNB does levy fees and commissions on incoming wire transfers. So if someone is sending you a 10 euros or 100 euros, 1,000 euros, $1,000 into your FNB Forex account, they will charge commission on that. With EcoBank, they don't charge on incoming wire transfers. So if someone sends you 100 euros, you will receive 100 euros into your account. If they send you $1,000, you will receive $1,000 into your account at no fees. So that's something you need to find out. Then the next one you need to find out is, are you able to send an outward bank transfer, international money transfer, Swift transfer, telegraphic transfer, are you able to send that from your bank account online? So with FNB, you can send an outward transfer from the comfort of your home with the online banking. With Ecobank, you can do the same with the banking app and the online banking. So you can basically manage your account fully from the comfort of home. With FNB, everything is done only, everything on the Forex account is done just on the online banking portal. With Ecobank, it's done on the online banking portal as well as the banking app. So find out from your bank whether you can manage your Forex account with the banking app or the online banking. Then all that said, let me now just show you how to transact with FNB. Then I'll show you how to transact with Ecobank. So if you log into your FNB account, immediately you're going to see that there's a Forex feature here. That's where you go to transact Forex, from moving from kwacha to dollar, or dollar to kwacha, or sending international remittances. So once you click on Forex, it brings you to this screen where you've got global payments. Global payments is you're sending an outward remittance, a Swift transfer, telegraphic transfer, you're wiring funds outside. And global transfers is the one we want to go to. So global transfer, you're moving from one account to the other account within FNB. So you've got create, maintain, history. But what you want to do is come here to transfer name. So this one I'm naming it ZMW to USD. And you need to click on this drop down menu where the funds are coming from. So click on it. So here I've got the options of my dollar account, my kwacha account, and my savings pocket. So the funds are coming from my kwacha account. I'm then going to click on continue. Once I click on continue, here you need to make sure that suburb is actually shown. It will refuse if there's no suburb, and for some reason it wasn't mapped. Here for postal zip code, you could leave it as is, or if you're a sucker for details, you can put the correct zip code, which is 10101 Then you can click on continue. It then brings you here where on the drop down menu, you need to select where the funds are going. Okay, so the options I have is my savings pocket and my FNB dollar account. I'm choosing the dollar account. I've chosen the dollar account. Then here you can choose the ZMW amount or the USD amount. So I'm choosing ZMW because I've got kwacha and I don't know how much dollars it will be. The total amount is 100 kwacha. Reference, from reference to USD to reference from ZMW. Value date today. I can continue. Is this a pre-book deal with FNB or Rand Merchant Bank? A pre-book deal is you have gotten a rate from the relationship manager, the treasury department, or the bank itself. In my case, this large amount of 100 kwacha, I've not pre-booked with my relationship manager, so I'm leaving it at no. I'll continue. Then once you continue, you just need to tick both of these. If you like to read, you can read the terms and conditions and all. In my case, I just continue, I submit. So once you've submitted, you've got 120 seconds to confirm all of this. This is the rate, the amount you're going to receive, the dollar amount, the account it's coming from, account it's going to, and all. I confirm, I just say accept. Once you've accepted, you come back to this screen where it shows you all the transaction. You can print it or download it. I'm just going to click finish. Once you've finished, it shows you all your recent transactions. So I've been moving some money. I've moved a 1.7, 2.63, 0.06, 1.05, 4.38. So this one is going to be in progress. It will take a couple of minutes for it to move from the kwacha to the dollar account. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting for that, let me now show you using Ecobank. So this is my Ecobank dollar account, and I've selected credits only on the statement. So as you can see, it is an active account. I do receive incoming wire transfers on a regular basis. And like I said earlier, the incoming wire transfers are commission free. So you receive the full amount. Whatever amount Ecobank receives is what they credit into your account. If we go on the debits only, you'll see that it is also active, and I am able to transact. So most of the times I'm able to transact just using either the online banking or the banking app. I don't actually need to go much to Ecobank to transact from the Forex account, except when I need to go and withdraw cash. So majority of the time I use the Ecobank app to manage my Forex account. So as you can see here, there are some funds sitting in the dollar account, and I'm going to show you the most common features that I use. The first one is moving funds from the Ecobank dollar account to my Kwacha account. So I'm going to move $3 or is it $1 from the dollar account to the Kwacha account. To do that, I can simply come here under transfer. Under transfer, I'm going to choose Ecobank domestic. Under Ecobank domestic, I'm going to choose myself. Then here I'm going to put in the amount, which is a $1. I'm going to choose the account it's going to. It's going to my current account. The Express account is like an e-wallet account. So I'll choose the current account. Once I've chosen that, it always asks for a hashtag. I'll just put self and continue. Then it's going to ask me to confirm all of this. The transaction fee is 0. It's an expense. You can select the category. And it's saying that request is being processed. So you see here it has been successful. My dollar balance has gone down by $1, and so has this one. Now, one of the other features of EcoBank is that I'm able to use EcoBank to load any of my cards. There's a feature called Visa Direct. So I can load my UBA prepaid card instantly. I can load my Atlas Mara card instantly, and I can also load my Paysera card instantly. Paysera is actually a virtual bank. It's a bank outside of Zambia. Okay, so this is my Paysera account. As you can see, I've got 123 euros in the account. I'm going to load it instantly from EcoBank. So coming back to the EcoBank app, I'm going to go under transfer. I'm going to select Visa Direct. I'm going to add new beneficiary. So here, select the account where it's coming from. It's $1 to do a Visa Direct from the dollar account, and it's 10 kwacha to do a Visa Direct from the kwacha account. I'm going to select the method. So I can only select PAN. Alias doesn't work, so I'm selecting PAN. Then next, you need to put in the beneficiary card number, which is the entire card number. So I'm going to type this out, and once I've put in the beneficiary card number and tabbed, it's going to automatically detect the currency of the card. So let me just enter in the card number and you'll see this change. Okay, so I've put in the card number and you see here that it has detected the currency. So I need to put in my name, first name and last name. Make sure you put in the correct names. Once you've put in the names, make sure that the correct names, which the bank has. I'm going to put in the amount. You can either put in the dollar amount or the amount to be received. In this case, I want a €1, so I've put in the euro amount. Okay, so in this case, I've put in the euro amount, which is 1. I'm going to put in a hashtag. So once I've put in the hashtag, I'll click next. You'll see that there's the $1 has been added. That's the fee. If it's coming from a Kwacha account, it's going to be 10 Kwacha. Then I'll click on next. I'm going to confirm everything, fingerprint swipe or pin, expense again. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so you see here that it's done. So now let me go back to Paysera. I've gone to my Paysera account and you see that it has gone up by €1. So this has been an instant transfer from a bank in Zambia to a bank in Lithuania. So depending on the receiving bank where the Visa card is held, the transfer can either be instant or it can take up to 3 days. So what this means is that with Visa Direct feature, you are able to do international bank transfers at the cost of $1 or a cost of 10 kwacha. The maximum amount per load you can do is about $500. So you can do about 4 of them. So in case you need to move money to your offshore account or to another bank account, the cheapest way, instead of doing a wire transfer, is just to do Visa Direct. It will cost you $1 per load or 10 kwacha per load, and this is one of the greatest features that I use. Okay, guys, so that is basically it. In this video, I was just trying to answer the common questions that have been asked on what types of Forex accounts are there, how one can easily manage a Forex account affordably in Zambia, whether one can manage them online using the online banking or the banking apps. And then also someone did ask how to move from an FNB Kwacha account to the Forex account, which I've demonstrated there. Then I've also shown how I manage my own personal Forex account and how I'm able to even load funds to the Paysera account. People have been asking, how do you load funds to Paysera? I've demonstrated it there. So all in all, Zambian banking and financial services are basically top notch. They do a lot. There's a lot that you can actually do with Zambian banks, Zambian financial services, Zambian fintechs, and all. They can actually make your life easier, whether you're an entrepreneur and you just want to receive payments in Forex. And then also there, like I've mentioned, banks differ bank to bank. Some banks will have maintenance fees, some banks will have no maintenance fees on the savings accounts. So it's basically what I just wanted to share. Do let me know in the comments which banks you maintain your Forex accounts with, what the terms and conditions with those banks are, if you're happy with the services with those banks, and if there are any unique services that those banks offer which you think I or anybody else watching should be aware of. And then also let me know uh, which if your Forex bank comes with a Visa or MasterCard, and how that is working out for you. Personally, because of my Ecobank Visa Direct feature and the fact that I'm able to move funds around with the Ecobank, I haven't really seen a need for uh, a Visa card or MasterCard, but it's always good to know what how you're finding your banks, and if having a Visa or a MasterCard linked to your bank is actually beneficial and all. Anyways, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and I also look forward to your comments. I always do look forward to comments. I read each and every comment, and if I do have a chance, I do reply. Anyways, thanks for watching. Mulos, bye.